Here's a walkthrough of the Ocean 71 Ocean Joy. Absolutely stunning yacht, originally built in 1973, much updated through life in 2012 and 2016. And the walkthrough that you will see is taken with the yacht ashore in Portimao, in Portugal, which is much sunnier, nicer and warmer than here in Leamington on a very grey February day where it's just started to rain. Welcome aboard Ocean 71, Ocean Joy, in Portimao in Portugal, in the sunshine. As you can see, she's ashore, and we're just going to walk past her owner's cockpit. There's lovely storage beneath the teak slats, and more storage with a lazarette after that. So we're just going to have a look on deck first. She's split rig. John Powell originally built these rigs in 1972 when Ocean Joy was built. They were rebuilt in 98, and in 2016 Advanced Rigging gave them new standing and running rigging. The sails are from Banks and from Sanders. The Sanders sails are most recent from 2004. Here's the centre sailing cockpit. Everything happens from here. And look, she's got amazing non-teak decks. Very easy to handle. This owner has owned her for over 25 years, and he has sailed her many times across the Atlantic. She's been a family yacht. She needs few crew. She's fast, she's comfortable, and she just is very easy on the eye. So then, obviously, the main and mizzen are fully battened with ball bearing cars. To make things a bit easier, she's got Reckman furling on the front, and it's powered on the Genoa. Anderson winches. She's got electric primaries, and there's also an electric halyard lift. A couple of spinnaker poles. Everything has been beautifully maintained. She's not in use at the moment because the owner is doing other things, and she's a huge amount of yacht for the money. Vertical windlass, good access to the motor under deck. Spade anchor. The deck and hull was repainted 2016. It's looking very good. She has been updated continuously through life. Look at that lovely, clear, easy to work deck. You see she's got a doghouse arrangement and plenty of hatches, which means that she's flooded with light below. She's got lazy jacks. Deck is really very easy to work. She's got a bimini for warm water sailing, but of course it's not on at the moment because she's out of commission. She's got Raymarine on the pedestal, which was replaced 2016. Lots of space for guests and easy to work when you're at sea. Now we're going to have a look below. Okay, so we're attacking the interior of Ocean Joy from the owner's cabin, and here's the access from the owner's cockpit. Large double to port. To starboard there's a single. This panel is an inspection hatch which has been taken out so you can have a look in the engine room. One of the things I love about the yacht is that you've got really good access from the centre cockpit into the engine space, so you don't have to come below to get at things. To the right is a heads compartment for the owner with a bath. Here's her Perkins, it's a 6354, 115 horsepower, no turbo. It was replaced 2016, it's done around 500 hours. It's got an aqua drive and a max prop, which was replaced 2016. There's also a Northern Light gen set in there and water maker. Here is the nav station. She's got a C120 Raymarine unit and Furuno electronics elsewhere. And here is a lovely seating area for dining to port and another seating area to starboard. Easy access into the sailing cockpit and aft-facing nav station, which works really well. Lots of storage. She's got Bose sound in here, and you see how the windows means that light floods in. Hatch into the galley, which we're going to have a look at next because it is a bit special. All stainless steel, Force 10 cooker, twin sink, isotherm refrigeration, lots of kit, loads of food preparation area, extractor fan, easy access to move food into the main saloon, and it's opposite a large single guest cabin with plenty of storage. All of these lockers, when you look inside them, they're absolutely immaculate. We've done a couple of other shorter videos and you should take a look if she looks interesting. Here is an upper and lower berth guest cabin. Lee cloths for all the berths on this yacht, obviously. Wardrobe there. And look at the floors, these high gloss floors. Not only can you see in them, you can also make up in them. They're extraordinary. Heads compartment for the guests. It's also a day head. All the heads on the boat are electric. They're Santa Marine. And there's also a shower here. Very smart, easy to keep clean. And there's that guest cabin. And then we go into the crew mess, crew accommodation, or could be very comfortable guest accommodation if you're not running with crew. There's a mess to your right, upper and lower berth cabin. Cockpit cushions are living here at the moment. Very light and bright, same standard of finish as on the rest of the yacht. No difference at all. And then you walk forward into this workshop storage area. Like everything else on Ocean Joy, it's immaculate. See the access to the motor for the windlass. There's the chain locker beneath. Very useful place to have for putting stuff and working when you're cruising far. And then, of course, we've walked through the heads compartment, another electric heads with shower. And then there is a basin on the other side. There we are, Ocean Joy, very special blue water cruising yacht.